Curtain. I wonder who it is. It's Mr. Gizmo! Yes! And yesterday was Gizmo's birthday. How old did he turn? 11! My baby turned 11. Right, baby boy? And he had a delicious little pumpkin cupcake, and I also cooked him a filet, and he got new toys. So yes, that's Gizmo's update. Cute little 11-year-old. Here. Yep, my chicken keeps escaping because I stupidly while I was planting these plants, kind of pulled up the fence because I'm not very good at that. And my poor Rose is dying anyway. But yes, that's Aria. Funny little chicken. She's actually not that difficult to catch. She does run, but then once you catch her, she just kind of stays in your hand. So, yeah. Time to stuff her back in and show you guys the complete disarray that the coop is in. I have to clean it out. I have to give them new food. Gotta do a little bit of everything. Rain, so this is basically a mud patch. And right there you can see the holes a little bit better. And I had put some dirt there, but with all the rain it just kind of pushed it down, so it's pretty easy for them to get out. And looks like we have one egg. And as you can see, everything is extremely messy. Since we put the Americanas in here, it's just been ridiculous. Super messy. As you can see, they knocked over the food, both of them. Water's a mess. They're all jumping up like hay. Yeah. Very roostery. Definitely looks like he's Splash. Very pretty. And yeah, good times. As it always works. I'm totally low on chicken feed. And I don't particularly feel like leaving the house. But this should be enough for today, so good time. Over here we have the two psychopaths. The mean chickens. Yep, they're still mean. And for whatever reason, sometimes they just don't like to put themselves away. And yeah, this girl right here likes to bite my finger. Cool story. In other news, the neighbor's getting goats. So he built like a little pen. So yeah, now time to feed these guys. In fact, for whatever reason, I seem to always find 4-leaf clovers. Yep. Cool story, right? Cleaned out the boxes. We have fresh water. Everything's nice and clean in here. Have to go to Tractor Supply and run and get some more food. But other than that, everything is looking good. And here's the chickens all being chickeny, eating a watermelon. The moment everyone has been waiting for. The release of the chickens. We shall see where they go, what they do, how they do, and whatnot. Right, there's Alice. Let's see if she's the first taker. Come on. Come on. Chickens. Come on. No takers. Up, up. Here comes Alice. Aria seems interested. Oh, Alice just ate a bug. And she went right back in. That we might have some takers from 0 interest to half interest.
You know the colors you guys want now.
And they're out. Well, some of them at least. Curly and Liz are in the back. they've been lured out with worms. There's Luna being cute. Toffee. Curly and Liz seem like they want to get out, but like they can't figure out quite how to get out. Right, and it looks like Toffee is definitely going to run into the fence. They all look like they're going to run into the fence. Yep. There's Curly. Brought out Plain Jane. Let's see if she picks on one of the Americanas. She's literally only been out for like 2 seconds. But so far she seems okay. Hey! And she's going back. The neighbors got the goats. Puppy doing the outro. It's Gizmo with eye boogies. So that was the video. Not much else to say. Like, subscribe, frolic, do what you must. But look at this pup. This pup